Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tell your age with a tape measure. This will be a super easy life hack, so let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, so all that you need is a tape measure. You don't even really need to use any math or any logic or any thinking. You just need the tape measure, and I'm going to show you what to do, and it'll tell you your age. And you can also use this with anyone else's age, as long as you know their birth year. Okay, so essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take your tape measure, you're going to extend it out, okay? You're going to bend it in half. So as you can see, I've extended it out and bent it in half. It's been extended and bent, okay? And you're going to keep extending it. And what you're going to want to do is line up the end of it right here with the number that corresponds with the current year. So let's just say, for the sake of argument, you're doing this in 2025. I'm going to line up the end of it with the number 25 on the tape measure. Now, just because of birth years, most of the time you're going to want to go to 125. Okay, instead of just 25, it usually makes more sense to go to 125 because you get a lot more years to work with, which I'll show you in a moment. So I'm going to line up the end of it with 125 for the year 2025. Okay, so whatever the current year is, line it up. So I've lined up the end. Here's 125. I've lined up the end with 125 right over there, okay? So I'm going to hold the end of it at 125, okay? Now, as I hold the end of it on the current year, which is 2025, let's just say, for example, and that corresponds to 125, I'm holding it right there, okay? I'm going to go and I'm going to look further down the tape measure, okay? I'm holding it, like these two pieces of the tape measure, okay, there's two pieces right here that have been bent together, and I'm holding them in unison. So I'm sort of making my way down, holding them in unison. Be careful, because the tape measure is metal most of the time, and it can be, a little bit sharp, so just be careful. But make your way down, and you're going to go to your birth year, okay? So I'm making my way down. I'm born in 1987. The best birth year ever, obviously, okay? So I'm going to go down to 87 right over here, okay? And as you can see right here, 87, make sure we're still lined up. I want to make sure we're still lined up. So we're still lined up at 125 over here, just like that. And I'm still lined up at 125 perfectly right now, okay? And then I'm going to go to the birth year, 87. Now, 87 is lined up with 38. So I'm born in 1987. So that's my birth year, and it's lined up with 38, which means I will be 38 years old this year. I might have already turned 38, or I will be turning 38, but this is my 38th year of life, okay? This is the year I will be 38. So let's just say, for instance, you were born in 1990, okay? 90 is lined up with 35, so guess what? If you're born in 1990 and it's 2025, you're going to be, where do we go? 1990 for 1990, 35. 35 years old. I kind of knew that. I had to double check, but I knew that. Let's just say, for the sake of argument, you were born a year before me, okay, which would be 1986. 86 is lined up with 39, so you're going to be 39 years old in 2025, okay? That's it. It's literally that simple. Whatever, the current year is, you line up the end with that. And then whatever your birth year is, you correspond the number with that number on the measuring tape of your birth year. And that's how old you're going to be, or you are, in that year that you're currently in. All right, and that's basically it. That's a super easy life hack. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.